Don't mind my chickens. What's funny is that I want to do this short video to talk about how our lives, like our life, like my family's life and my business, are at a different stage right now than we were like 2 years ago when we were just leaving Washington State, 4 years ago before I started an art gallery stint. And I've just been really analyzing everything and thinking about how different life is right now and just how our pace of life has changed, the type of responsibilities that we have changed, our support network here locally changed, and my chicken clucking in the background as she's laying us an egg is exactly pointing to that. Is that kind of have like a little homestead situation going on now. That's been a really great learning curve for me. And the animal stuff came naturally, just with my vet med background, But it's been an interesting change. And I've been analyzing my business and our life and kind of thinking about things and realizing I'm super far overdue for continuing education. I'm like 2 years past due on that goal. I'm supposed to be doing it every single year for multiple reasons. And also, we're going to start homeschooling our little guy in the fall. So it's time for a revamping of my business model. And I will be keeping you up to date on that.